What's up, everybody? I was sitting in the house and I decided I'm gonna go shoot some stuff before work. So what I got is I put some gasoline into an old cleaner bottle and put a cap on it. I'm gonna shake it up, kind of pressurize it a little bit before I shoot it. And then I have an aerosol can that I'm gonna shoot also. I get bored and I come out back here and I shoot stuff. So, but what I'm gonna be firing today, it's gonna be the Smith & Wesson SD9 VE. I will be firing 115 grain Luger hollow points out of this. Let's go take a look at what we're going to be shooting. Alright, I got my aerosol can. It's going to be Fresh Harvest pumpkin scent flavor, whatever the hell it is. Air freshener, I suppose. It is still kind of full, so it is still pressurized. And then I have a cleaner bottle that I actually put a bunch of gas, well, about half gasoline in it. I'm going to put them on top of a barrel, right here on top of a barrel. And I'm going to put gasoline on the top of the barrel. And I'm going to light it before I fire at each object. So hopefully I can get this lit and this shot before this melts and goes boom. So, folks, I got the top of this covered in gasoline. I got my first object up. I'm going to go ahead and load around. Double check everything. One's chambered. I'm going to go ahead and light the top of this and let's see what it does. Okay, so it looks like it doesn't explode. I assumed aerosol can, boom, gas, fire. Let's get this cleaned up and set up for the next one. I got the next one set up here. What I'm going to be shooting this time, it's going to be an old cleaner bottle that I filled halfway up with gasoline. Once again, I have gasoline on top of the barrel. I'm going to light it and then fire around into the jug to see what happens. I don't know if it's going to explode. I don't know if it's just going to catch on fire. I don't know if it's going to be like the aerosol can and just fall over and lay there and slowly burn. Who knows? But it does smell like really good harvest pumpkin. So let's light this and see what happens. Okay, we had a little better success with that one after about the third or fourth round there. I'm pretty sure I ricocheted the bottom of the barrel there and just kind of kicked the jug off. But our ending result, a little bit of fire. I'll see what I can find next week to shoot. Everybody, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Check out the rest of the page there. I know there's a couple videos on there by now. I do want to take a little bit to talk about gun safety. Everything should always be safe 100% start to finish, no matter what you're doing, where you're at, or how you're doing it. Always make sure you have your eye protection on, your ear protection on. I had mine on while firing, off camera obviously. It was on a separate table there, so you didn't actually see that. That's my fault. But when it comes to firing any weapon, no matter if it's a handgun or a rifle, always make sure downrange is clear. Always make sure nobody's, in your firing line. I mean, there's so much that goes into just firing a weapon, even if it's in a backyard shooting at a can. I mean, but safety's always first. Don't ever forget that, and I appreciate it, and I hope to see you back.